If you've been asked to compare or host an event and you've never done it before, make sure you get some coaching or training. Now, there aren't many of us who offer it in this country, but there are several of us. There are a few, all of whom have different styles. And I would look for a compare coach whose style suits you, your event, the way you want to come across on stage. If you're looking to be laugh a minute, high humour, verging on stand-up, there are coaches out there who can teach you all that side of it. If you're looking to be safe pair of hands, professional, competent, amiable, affable, that's probably nearer my style actually. There are others who will teach you to host very specific types of events for very specific audiences. So look for a coach who you think will be able to suit you really. And then you need to get them to practice with you how to introduce people. They should be talking to you about how to write your script and how to plot out the timeline of the day. They should also talk to you about how to work with an event organizer, how to work with your speakers, and they should be rehearsing you. And again, it's something that a lot of people don't often do, but rehearsal is important, particularly your opening section. You want to step up onto that stage and deliver with confidence and gusto. You want people, the audience, to just be grabbing and go, great, this person's in charge, they know what they're doing, I'm going to stay with them for the duration of this event. So practice, practice, and practice again. Say it out loud, video it, talk to a camera, then watch it back. It's horrible, nobody likes watching themselves on camera, but it's a great way to understand how you come across to the audience. So if you are being asked to compare, find yourself a coach, work with them. I tend to work with most of my clients for 2 or 3 sessions before their event. First one prepares the script, second one rehearses it, third one hones it. Think about how you're going to prepare, when you're going to put time aside for rehearsal, sound checks, all that sort of stuff, and good luck with it, because actually it's a great fun job.